Good morning, children. Have a blessed day. Today we are going to learn place value assignment 2. So already we have seen assignment 1. Before we go for the exercise, let us recall the Roman numbers what we learned in the previous class. Roman number x is written as 10. Double x is written as 20 because 10 plus 10, 20. Then x, triple x, 30. XL is written as 40. When x comes before L is minus 10. So that is 40. Then LX, that is 60. 50, L is 50 plus x 10. So 50 plus 10, 60. Then L, XX. L is 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70. L double X, 70. Then L, X, 80. So this is 70, this is 80. Then XC. C is written as 100. When x comes before C is minus 10. So 90. Then C is written as 100. D is written as 500. M is written as 1000. Is it clear, children? Now let's do the exercise. Arrange in ascending order. So the Roman number is given. We have to write in ascending order from the smaller to greater. Let's see arrange in ascending order. First, let's find out the Roman numbers. First one you see DXX2. Here D is 500 plus 10 then 2. So altogether if you add you'll get 522. Then go for next Roman numbers DXC. D 500. Okay. C we know already that is 100. So when X comes before C, minus 10. So that is 90. So altogether 590. So this is DXC 590. Then DXXV. D 500 X10 plus 10. Then plus Roman letter V for 5. So altogether if you add you'll get 525. Then DXL. D 500 XL. L already we know that is 50. When X comes before L is the minus 10. So that is 40. So altogether 540. See here. So I have written above the Roman numbers 522, 590, 525, 540. Now what we have to do from the smaller to greater. So which is the smaller number? This one. So 522. So I have written. Then the next number is 522. That is DXXV. The next number is DXL. Then another number is DXC. Is it clear, children? You have to do. First, let's find out this. What is this? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 9 crore. Then here 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 3 lakh. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 50,000 plus 2. 9 crore plus 3 lakh plus 50,000 plus 2. You have to write the numbers now. 9 crore, 3 lakh, 50,000 and 2. So use the digits 4, 1, 0, 3, 5 and 8 to form the smallest and greatest numbers. Do not repeat the digit. So this one we have to write as 6-digit numbers. Okay. We should not repeat. By using these given numbers, let's form the smallest number. First, what is the small number? 1. 0 we have to write in the second place because if we write before, the 0 has no value. So first we are going to write 1, then 0. After that 3, 4, 5 and 8. Zero has no value if we write before 1. Okay, so that's why we are writing 1, then in second place we are writing 0, then 3, 4, 5, 8. So this is the smallest number. So how to read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh 3,458. Now greatest number. From here we have to write which is the for greater number, that is 8. 5, 4, then 3, 1, 0. Here 0 can come in the last. So how to read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 8 lakh 54,310. Here 1 lakh 3,458. Is it clear, children? Next one you have to do. Use the digit 4, 0, 1, 7 and 6 to form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit number. So 8 digit has to come. Here 8-digit numbers have to come. You can repeat the digit. This one 6-digit. Okay, you can just write it 6-digit numbers. F, round of the numbers. We have to find out the first one, 8,923 to the nearest 10. Let's recall the round of numbers. Nearest tens. If the number below 5, we have to write 0 in that ones place. If it's 5 or above 5, we add 1. For example, 34. In ones place, 4 is ones place. Okay. So 4 is below 5. So we have to write 30. 34 round of number is 30. The next one, if the number is 36, ones place 6. This is after 5. So what we have to write? The round of number is 40. Now let's see here. 8,923. So see this ones place. This is 3. Here tens. So nearest tens, ones place 3. This is below 5. So what we have to write? Instead of writing 3, we have to put 0. So what is the answer? 8,920. So the round of number is 20 because this is 3 below 5. So we have to write 20, not 23. Is it clear, children? Next one, we'll go for fourth one. This is 90,72,601 to the nearest 1,000. First, we'll write the place value ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. See here and 1,000. So 1,000 is 1,000 place 2, 100 place 6. We have to see the 1,000, nearest 1,000. So nearest 1,000, 6. This is above 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1. So what is the answer? 20,73,000. See here, 1,000 place 2, nearest 1,000, we have to see the next number, nearest number 6 after 5. This is above 5. See the nearest number above 5 is there. So we have to write 3. We have to add 1. So 90,73,000. Is it clear, children? I hope that you understood the assignment. Thank you. You should do the rest of the sums.